Welcome back to Rich's Slot Car Room. I'm Rich, and today is Tyco Tuesday. Yeah, and we're going to be doing a Camaro. 82 Camaro, number 47. Valvoline on the side, Tyco on the roof. Pretty cool car. Tail lights, headlights, stripes on the side, red and blue stripes. Red and black, yeah, black, red, black, yeah. So yeah, it's got gray hubs. I'll bring you guys around here and we'll check it out. Here she is, number 47, 82 Camaro. HP7 chassis. Nice new silicones all the way around. Let's put on the dyno. Seems like she needs a little oil. Okay, let's put a little oil on it. Wow, nice smooth gears. What seems to be the problem there, car? Some little noses on this bad boy. Number 1 on. Yeah, these HP7s are tricky because with the headlights in them. This chassis does not fit very well underneath the car when it has a headlight on. There we go. It's not too bad. It'll get a little better. I'm not sure what's wrong with this bad boy, but I think the motor needs cleaned. Well, let's take the whole motor apart. Guys that come along for a ride on this one. Wait a second there. Maybe it does not. There we go. That's better. Little malfunction there. Now we can put this bad boy back together. it in all the way. Looks pretty good now. So we got one for 245. That's real consistent right there. 43 to 45. That's wow. 27. All right. Let's take this. Let's look this up in a book. Let's see what she says in the book about it. Camaro. There she is, right there. I guess. There she is. 22, 47, Camaro. It says Camaro on the windshield. Wow. I don't have that sticker, so the sticker fell off like a lot of the windshield stickers do. Fell off. This one here has one right there. I have that car. It does not have the sticker on the windshield. This one up here has Iron Rock in the window. I do have that. It's not a sticker. It's painted, I guess. Well, we'll look over here on page number 22. '87 to '97, 10 years, lighted HP7. 69.29. It's a 4 availability. 22. White, red, black, number 47, Valvoline. Side view mirrors molded into body. Yeah. And there she is right there one last time. Mine does not say Camaro on the windshield, as you can see. And I will put you on pause and take you over to the track. Relax after this. just in time. There you have it, folks. 82 Camaro. There you have it. 82 Camaro. Lighted HP7. Anybody that has HP7s loves them. I mean, they're a great chassis, except for one thing. Headlights. Got a headlight in it. It's a son of a bitch putting it back under the car. Some bodies will not take it. Some bodies that have headlights will not take an HP7. So, yeah. Then it didn't last that long. Tyco went to inline motor. Magnum 440 came out after this one. And then the 440 times 2. So if you ain't subscribed, I don't know why you're not. Yeah, hit the bell. Leave me a comment. Appreciate you guys' comments. You guys have been leaving me a lot more lately. I like that. And I'm almost at 300. Need 10 more. 11. Something like that. 12. I'm not sure. But we'll do something when I hit 300. I guess that's it for now. See you guys Friday for Thank God's Tyco Friday. Later. Bye.